Welcome to the next Joey video. We are currently down a mine again. Don't think we left the last one. We're in Mount Pleasant mine this time. We're a different group of lads this time. They'll be giving us all the information that we need to know. We've actually don't know too much about this one, so it's going to be just as interesting for us as it is going to be for you guys. Welcome to the mine. So, Ben, our other local guide, not just Troy, has explained to us in 2009 that this place got structurally reinforced. So yeah, massive I-beams and H-beams holding this place up. And I mean an absolute shit ton. And we've come out of this crazy ass tunnel that we walked up a minute ago that you would have seen. It seems a lot more sketchy than what we've been in before, but they've done a lot more work and it's a lot more modern and updated than what we've been through in the past. I don't know if I'm correct on this, but being a more modern mine, back in the old videos you can see that there's a lot of gouge marks chiseling away at the wall. Where this, you can see there's a bit more rotational marks. So I'm assuming some sort of core drill or not, but we'll find out. But if we're wrong, hammer us in the comments. Let's have a look what we got. Snapchat. You ready? Viennese fingers, dairy dunkers. It gets better.
Oh, stop.
The old Lunchables, mate. So Ben's just informed us this is a quarryman's pencil. Oh my god, it works really well. To find the bits that they actually use to draw them on, pretty cool. Gonna leave that yet. Onwards. We've been informed that this is called a frig bob. It's a big fucking saw, and I'm assuming it'd have a big wooden handle like this. Like what they used to you see on the old timber mills, where they'd have one guy on either side, but we just told them that, yeah, one man on this. Ben, who's down with us, he just informed us that above us here there was a collapse. Loads of animals fell to their death, unfortunately, and they've covered it back over, but they call it the Boneyard for obvious reasons. But there are loads and loads and loads of bones down here. There's even a bit of hair there. Pretty creepy, especially in such a small little area. It's all been covered over, it's all been reinforced as well afterwards, so I'm assuming they still use the land above. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. In the last video when we were in the stables in, what mine was it?
Moncton. In
Moncton. I kind of started explaining about these being old-timey oil or gas lanterns. Yet again, I was lying. These are actually the bases of oil lamps. So that little fitting that I said that fitted to your head was not what it was. It's the little finger thing that goes there. Oil goes in, screw on top, wick on top. You got yourself a little oil lantern. They created big boreholes straight down into this mine, so they could literally pour straight cement, or this foam cement, down here to completely fill this place up. Watch me go up it. Watch me fail going up it. There's a hole in the roof.
I want to have a look up here, there's a ladder.
We ended up coming up with this ladder system. And this giant ass bunker tube looking thing, I think it's an emergency escape hatch for the workers that used to be down here. But it's all closed off, we're not going to go any further. But the sound of being here is unreal. So we've got a bit further in, more sections as you can see, heavily reinforced. We're going to carry on further, hopefully it's the same and it's nice and safe. But yeah, onwards with the video. We're here in a ventilation shaft, quite tall. It's gridded at the top so we can't get out this way, and obviously it's too far to climb. Very smooth walls, but pretty cool. Nice to get some daylight and some fresh air. So have a little break here and then carry on with the tour. So Ben's just informed us that these chop outs in the wall are for where they used to place tools back when the mine was operational. So currently we're heading off towards something they're calling the bird cage. So we're going to follow them and see what it's all about.
Any guesses to what these are, Dan?
I'm going to say the shoe insoles or some sort of weird flappy propeller. Seems like everybody in the company was a size 9. Very strange. Apparently this is the old health and safety board that would tell you all the bits you need to know about being down here. It's in better days, it's just a board now. What the fuck is that? Funny thing is, the first time you did that, Steph, it shit's pants. Hi, I'm Dan, and this is extreme cave sledding. That's it. Bye. Bye. This never happens to me. We're lost. We're making this up. We're figuring our way out of this place. It seems like we know what we're talking about, but we don't. It's an orange sled that they get people in and out of. There's a hole over there that they come in and out of, and we're gonna go this way and see where it goes. Well done for climbing over me and getting in front. Didn't really appreciate your balls in my face. Wait, this looks familiar. Must be an infinite time loop. I'm Dr. Dan and this is the TARDIS. There's no way I just turned around and came back. Because I was scared. Someone's locked the door. I had a great time down here today. Good bunch of lads showed us where everything was and all the cool stuff there is to look at down here. Yeah, onto the next video, the next venture. Next adventure.